Good morning, everyone. This is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and today we are going to do a walkthrough on the Paper Bag Journal. And you'll see that I have finished it off on the front here with these gears and cogs, and also, excuse my reach, some marigold liquid pearls. Whoops! Marigold liquid pearls. So here's the cogs and wheels on there. Cool, huh? And we'll come around to the back. Okay, put it over here so we can look this direction. Okay, so here we have just a pocket, and inside the pocket I've just put a couple of cards to write on. Little tag and a little postcard. And here we have our first pocket. I need to stretch this pocket out, I guess. There it goes. Just couldn't get it in there straight. Here's our first little booklet in our little pocket. And it's just a little journaling spot. Has 4 pages, front and back, and front cover and back cover. So it gives you a lot of little journaling areas right there. It's decorated with some Tim Holtz pieces, and this one might be a Prima. I'm not sure. I have Prima and Tim Holtz mixed in together. Then on this page, I've cut out a balloon, and I've turned it into a tuck spot. And in here we have some more journaling cards. This is using the Graphic 45 Imagine paper. I'm going to pull out my ruler so I can tell you what this measures. Here's the journal, and inside the journal lots of writing spots. I didn't put any other things in here except for paper and a couple little gears as dangles, but I just solely left it for writing. And you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 24 24 front and back to journal on, plus 25, that one's clear, and 26. So 26 pages to journal in there. And then we flip our book over, and here we have just a little tuck spot for little stamps. And here's another, everything you can imagine is real. And it's just a journaling card. In here we have another little journal book. It's just tied with some little trims and stuff. Inside we have some more postcards, 2 different sizes. And then we have this little book, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 places to write on this little piece on this little notebook. And a writing place on the back. Very pretty, isn't it? It was fun adding all the different ties and stuff to this one. You know, here we have this one, and on this one it's all this little fuzzy yarn, and just a lot of fun. Let's see, that one's just loose. And over here we have another journaling card. It's another postcard that has a few additions to it and a little, even tinier book to write in. But you can add more pages to this one if you like. And a couple little journaling cards. Time is flying, never to return. Life is about creating yourself. This just tucks back in here. And then here's just a few little decorations. And here's another one. So pretty. I love this paper pack. And then we turn to the back page. And back here we have what I'm calling a postcard pull tab. And it just holds your postcards and makes it so that you can pull them out of there. And I made 2 of those. And here's the other one. One has 3 cards in it and one has 2. These cards easily slip out of here. And these are just little postcards that came with the Graphic 45. This is my favorite. Can you imagine living like that up on a spindle? Obviously there's like a spindle there. This just goes back over it like that and slips right back in. Makes a nice little pull tab. And that is our paper bag journal. That was a lot of fun to make. Thank you, Martha and Melinda, for the suggestion. And there we go. So thank you for joining me during the process of this one and for joining me right now for the walkthrough on it. I hope you each have a great day, and this will be on my Etsy very soon, or before this even probably airs. So wishing you all a super day. Bye bye for now.